Yo, what's up guys? Today we are going to work on this Codewars kata weight for weight, and the problem we are solving today is where we are given a list of weights. Apparently this is for the weights of the member in the very judgmental gym club. And since they don't want like John is worried, I guess, that the list of weights of members of the club is published, and he's gonna be the last, which means he's the heaviest, and we will have to write a function that given a list of weights like this, we will reorder it by the sum of each weight digits. For example, so this list will become this, or 99 will have a weight of 18 and 100 will have a weight of 1, so that 100 will become will come before 99. As always, you can pause the video and read the description for yourself. This is a very I really appreciate the people who write these katas. Is very funny. This is our function, and this is the example string that we have, and our job is to write this function, right? So the first thing we have to do is to split the string using the split method, and this will give us a list of numbers. Actually, they are strings. So to do the sum operation, we will need to convert all these numbers, like all these strings, to integer. We can create a list of the sum of the digits. So for example, sum of 56 equal 11, 11, 11, 100. So let's do sum of int of j, okay, for j in I and for I in string split, okay, and we will create a list like this. Where's the closing parenthesis? In j, no, j here for j in I. Okay, so using this list comprehension, so we iterate through each I in string split, and then for each item in the list, we will iterate once more, and then summing the integer of that element. So 5 will become integer, and then plus 6. So this is how we will get the list of the sum of the digits. So we have the so this is how we'll get the list of the sum of the digits, and then we can create a second list that kind of map the weights of the number to its original number, and we do that. So let's call this list a list 1 equal this, and list we create another list by using the zip function, which is map the list 1 and the string dot split, and this will create this list is a list of tuples where the first item is the weight, the sum of the digits, which is the weight, and then the second element is the string, which represent the actual weight of a person. So after we have, let's call this a list 2 equal to this. We will, so this is, we can use this list to sort by the weight. So first we will sort by the first element, 11, 11, 1, right? And then if, the weights, they have the same sum, we will then order by the alphabetical order of the second item. So in this way, 56 would be before 65, before 74, even though they have the same weights. And we can use the sorted function to perform that sort, and this we will perform on the sort on list 2, and we given the key, and the sorted function takes a key that indicates what keys, like what would the function sort the list on. So for example, we can say in this case we want to sort on this tuple, and the order of the sort is the first item before the second item, and we can use a lambda function for this, lambda tuple, where the order would be tuph 0 and then tuph 1. So this is how we instruct the sort function to sort this list based on the key. And at the end, we would just join the list together on the second item to create the output of our function. So okay, so for this this is basically how our function would look right now, and I can call this d equal this, and then our function can just return joy, right, joy on d dot joy on d of the second item. We can do this I for I in d. Yes. And let's test it out for the given string, and this is the expected output. Okay, and we can test this on Codewars, and let's see. Okay, so this is this worked out quite well. Let me know if you guys have a different way to solve this problem in the comments, and thanks for watching.